What is up, Kraken Bass Clan? Alright, today I got a special video for you. Make sure you subscribe, like, and stay stoked for the stuff coming up. I'm going to walk through how to choose the best chatterbait trailer. I'm going to go through my favorite chatterbait trailers. A chatterbait early spring is a crusher. It's a proven game changer and catches a lot of bass. Just has a nice natural profile. And anyway, I'm going to walk through trailers, the best chatterbait trailers, because there's a lot of them out there, and how to choose the right ones. So let's dive into it and let's go. Okay, here's kind of a look at my favorite chatterbait trailers. So this is just a classic green pumpkin chatterbait, and I love flat tail style chatterbait trailers. This is the Strike King Blade Minnow. Flat tail chatterbait trailers seem to perform the best. They look the most natural. The chatterbait vibrates so much. A lot of people throw a swim bait on the back, but that swim bait actually gives it a little too much kick, I feel like. You got enough kick from this chatterbait going through the water. So this Blade Minnow is just a classic flat chatterbait trailer. So that's what it looks like. Here's my three favorites. The Yamamoto Jaco. What I like about this one is why it's a great chatterbait trailer is it's just got a beefier body. You see how much beefier it is? So it just adds a little more bulk to your bait, and it's one of the best chatterbait trailers out there. It's specifically designed for a chatterbait. Then you have this Strike King Blade Minnow, and it is a beautiful chatterbait trailer as well. It's just flows really natural. I love the colors of this thing, this green pumpkin pearl belly. I feel like it looks super natural. I fish clear water, so chatterbait trailers for me, they got to be natural. Green pumpkins with a little pearl belly is beautiful. And then there's another trailer that I really love, and I just got onto this by watching some pros, is this Big Bites Baits makes an incredible trailer. What's so sweet about this one is it's got real bulk, it looks real nice, and the tails on this thing are just super sweet and a little more floppy. I'm going to pull out one of these chatterbaits that I have right here. There's a real big heavy one, but when you throw this sucker on your chatterbait, it just gives it a nice bulk. It's real thin and it just flaps. So you can see how having that green pumpkin skirt and that little flashy shad underneath, it just looks really good. So those are my three favorites: the Blade Bait, the Blade Minnow by Strike King, the Jaco by Yamamoto, and this Real Big Bite Baits, this Real Shad. It is a great bait. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put one of these trailers on, and we're going to go out and fish this sucker so you can see how good these trailers are. They all work really well, and I'm going to catch a fish on each one of these trailers so you can have confidence in it. Let's go.
You put him in the fishing tank?
Hooked up on the chatterbait. Woohoo! Nice one. There you go. Chatterbait. It's that gizzard shad trailer. That's the one I got. Nice. The Jaco. There he is. On the Jaco. go. Proof. Green pumpkin Jaco. Now I'm gonna switch to the blade minnow and show you how well that works. Bye-bye, buddy. There's one. That's a big one. Blade minnow. Oh yeah, that's a stud, dude. It's like a 3. Wow. Hooked him right in the top of the mouth. Yeah, that's a stud. In case you're wondering if these Chatterbait trailers work, God, I'm gonna pull out my scale and weigh this guy. I bet he's 3. I got a new scale system. So I got this little lip gripper that you can clip onto your bass, and then you turn your scale on, just hook the scale right through there, and then you're able to weigh him. Let's see what he comes out to be. .28. Good bass for Sand Hollow. That's a chunk. See you later, buddy. 3-pounder. Hope you enjoyed this little section on best chatterbait trailers. Go to the link in the description to the full write-up. There's also some honorable mentions in there. These are obviously not all the chatterbait trailers out there, but they're my favorites. And anyway, throw a chatterbait this time of year. It's a great way to crush some nice bass. Stay stoked. Bye.